Welcome to week 2 of your MBA 615 leadership class. Hopefully by now you have become acquainted with the requirements and structure of the class, as well as with the background and leadership perspectives of some of your peers. As you can see, there are 2 main learning goals for this week. The first is to begin to identify both effective and ineffective strategies for leading people, and to compare and contrast these strategies to your own concept of effective leadership. The second learning goal is to understand the potential challenges and problems associated with leadership today. This will ultimately set the stage for the first main content area for this class, ethical and responsible leadership. So what will you need to do for this week? You can find out by clicking on this link. As shown here, you have 2 articles to read for this week, both of which will provide some initial thoughts on the qualities and behaviors of effective leaders. After reading these articles, you will then be asked to reflect on how these ideas compare to your own concept of effective leadership, as discussed in your introduction video from last week. This will comprise your discussion topic 1 for this week, which can be accessed by clicking on this link here below. Once you complete this task, you will then be asked to watch a video webinar presented by Dr. Jeffrey Pfeffer from the Stanford School of Business. This webinar is based on his provocative book, Leadership BS: Fixing Workplaces and Careers One Truth at a Time. The book puts into question how we have been conceptualizing effective leadership and ultimately argues that the leadership industry has failed in effectively training and developing our future business leaders. You will be asked to engage with the content of this webinar through 3 different discussion post topics, all of which are accessible through the same link as before, and are also displayed here down below. Although not required, you may also want to consider taking a look at the optional reading for this week, which is the book that Dr. Pfeffer's webinar is based on, listed here. The optional reading and the sources incorporated in the book could satisfy your outside research requirement for the discussion post for this week. In addition to your 4 original discussion posts, which are due by this Thursday, you are also required to comment on at least 2 of your classmates' posts by this Sunday, as shown here. These comments are meant to give you the opportunity to engage more deeply with the content by being exposed to the unique ideas and perspectives presented by your peers and ultimately reflecting on these perspectives. As you can see here, displayed down below, and also in the comments link above, there is specific criteria for what these comments should entail. There's also guidelines for what the original discussion post should entail. You can access this information by clicking here. Make sure to review this information carefully prior to making your original discussion post and comments. And that concludes the overview of the learning objectives and required tasks for this week. As always, if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to contact me. I look forward to reading your responses and seeing how you are able to engage with the material for this week.